Hey guys, welcome to my training video. This is Cindy Amaya Matos, your admin of the group, and I wanted to make this training video to teach you guys how you can go ahead and advertise our training group and recruit members into our training group. I know I've been receiving a lot of people messaging me regarding this. A lot of people don't know how to recruit or don't know, where they should be posting these custom flyers. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you step by step and showing you guys how I usually get leads and what it is that I do when it comes to these flyers. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start adding some really good groups when it comes to advertising on Facebook. So here at the top left corner of Facebook, you have a search bar. And the first thing you want to do is you want to start typing in different kind of groups where you would advertise in. So you want to start by typing in work from home. Now there's going to be so many groups and thousands and thousands of groups that you can possibly join, but you want to make sure that you're only joining groups that have 50,000 members and higher. And the reason I say that is because that gives you more chances of more people viewing your business and possibly contacting you and commenting on your on your flyer, on your post, and asking for information. If you are trying to recruit in a group that has, let's say, 5,000 or even 20,000, you have to remember that there's so much competition in these groups that it's going to be really hard to actually stand out. But when you're in a group that has 100,000, 200,000, you have a lot more possibility of a lot of people reaching your post. So the first group that I see here, work from home / advertise here. As you can see, that's a good group because it has 95,000 members. And so that will be a really good group that you want to add. But I'm going to show you guys some of the most popular groups that a couple of our members are in. I've been using these groups for many years and I have received tons and tons of leads. So the very first group that everyone should be in if they're recruiting is called Advertise Your Business 24/7, which is this one right here, advertise your business or page for free 24/7. If you're currently not in this group, I definitely suggest you type it in and you go ahead and you actually add this group. This is a really, really big group, really popular group. As you can see, it has over 350 plus members, 350,000 plus members, I'm sorry. And I have actually gotten anywhere from 100 to 200 leads from this group. Out of all those leads, I have been able to sign up tons of members and make really good money. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this group so you guys can see it. Now there's a lot of other groups that are very similar when it comes to the name, but you want to make sure that you are looking at this exact group and you want to make sure that it does have over 300,000 members. That is how you know that is the correct group. And there's people advertising their business here all day long. So I'm just going to scroll down here and just show you guys real quick all of the people that are advertising in this group. Now, the second group that is really, really popular to advertise in is very similar. It's called Advertise Your Business Here. Okay. Now I'm just going to remove this part and I'm going to go ahead and put Advertise Your Business Here. And that is actually going to be this group right here that has 299 plus members. Okay. So you want to make sure that you're a part of Advertise Your Business 24/7 and Advertise Your Business Here. These are really, really popular groups, and I'm pretty sure that when it comes to drop shipping and when it comes to the kind of flyers that I create in the group, you guys will definitely be able to get really good leads from here. Now, besides these groups, besides these two groups, you also want to advertise in work from home groups as well as entrepreneur groups. So if you guys are not a part of any entrepreneur groups, I'm going to go ahead and click on one that I have here. Now there's a lot of entrepreneur groups, but some of the most popular ones, like this one right here, Entrepreneurs Only, it has over 150,000 members. It's a really good group as well. And this group has a lot of more serious entrepreneurs that are looking for businesses that they want to, start when it comes to small-based businesses. So this will definitely be a really good group where you can advertise in and you can possibly get a lot of leads. Now, besides this group, you want to go ahead and type work from home. Yes, just work from home. Okay, now we have so many different work from homes. There is work from home moms, work from home dads. There is work from home with different cities. For example, work from home New York. That is one that I'm a part of because I'm from New York, so I'm always posting in that group as well. But you can pretty much put any kind of work from home. This one, for example, it's called work from home / advertise here. It has over 95,000 members, so it's really good. So this is another group that you want to go ahead and join. Now, in order to make sure that you are joining a group and you're not joining a page, because there is a difference between a page and a group. A group it's an actual group, and a page is like a business that is advertising for themselves. So I'm going to go back. If you look at these tabs up here, where it says marketplace, posts, people, photos, videos, pages, places, you want to go ahead and click on where it says groups. So therefore, you're only looking at groups, okay? And out of all these groups, for example, I would not choose this one because it has only 33,000 members. If you want to, you can. That's up to you. But I like to choose groups that are 50,000 members or more. The higher, the better. So I would definitely choose this first one, and I would definitely choose this one as well because it has 76,000 members. And this one actually is for business opportunities, work from home business opportunities as well. I would be choosing this one as well because it has 82,000 members, real work from home jobs. You can also put things like affiliate marketing. And I'm sorry for the pop-ups that are coming up, guys. I'm just getting notifications. As you can see, they have some that are affiliate marketing as well. And these are all just really good groups that you can join to advertise your business, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead, and I already have one of our custom flyers saved. But I'm just going to go back to show you guys where you can locate these custom flyers because I know a lot of people have been asking, you know, Cindy, where is the custom flyers? Where can I grab them? I don't see them in the file section. So the custom flyers, they are not in our file section. They're actually under our announcements tab. So I'm going to go to our training group. And what you want to do is you want to locate the announcements tab, which is right here at the top left corner. And it's going to say announcements. If you are using your cell phone or a laptop, it may be in a different location, okay? But you're going to have to locate where it says announcements. So I'm going to click on that. And then all you want to do is scroll all the way down. Okay, so this is our custom flyers post. And I actually provided 2 really good scripts here that you can use. I have used both of these scripts and I have got tons of leads. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and use script number 2, which says earn 300 plus a day to resell luxury items online. I'm just going to go ahead and copy all of this. Now, I already have a flyer that I previously saved from here, so I'm going to go ahead and just go to one of these groups, okay? So let's go ahead and go to work from home. Just type in work from home. Now, you want to go to work from home, advertise here, or whatever group it is that you're choosing. And all you're doing is really simple, guys. All you're doing is pretty much just copying and pasting the script and pasting, you know, our custom flyer, adding our custom flyer. That is all you're doing. And after that, all you have to do is just wait for a response, pretty much, okay? So I'm going to go ahead here where it says write post, and I'm going to right click. As you can see, you always want to make sure that the script that you have has spaces in between, okay? You don't want your script to look like this where it's together. You definitely want it to have spaces just because it stands out more. Then I'm going to go ahead and just look for the flyer that I previously saved here. And I'm going to be using, one second. Okay, this one that's a really good flyer that says work with resellers. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste and post it actually. And it's really, really, really simple. Okay, guys? Now, if you don't start seeing any kind of feedback right away, what I mean by that is if you don't get any comments right away, if you don't get anybody, commenting or asking for information, do not get discouraged. That happens in a lot of groups. You just have to find the right group that's right for you. Okay. When I first started, I was experimenting and I would post in a lot of different groups. Now, one thing I do want to tell you is you do not want to post too much. You don't want to post and like, for example, you don't want to post in 50 groups. You don't want to post 30, 40 times a day because that is excessive. And most likely you're going to end up going to Facebook jail. Okay. You want to make sure that you post anywhere from 3 to 4 posts in about, I would say, anywhere from 3 to 7 Facebook groups would be the best actually. Now, when it comes to advertise my business, I'm actually going to go ahead to this group right now. That is a really big group, and sometimes you can get really overwhelmed. There has been times that I have posted in this group and I have gotten over 150 leads, and I would have to be sitting there, replying back to every single person. So it does get overwhelming. That is why I definitely suggest that you do not go crazy promoting in a million groups, because there is a possibility that you're going to be stuck all day having to reply back to a ton of leads if you decide to promote in so many groups. Okay. Or I would say, more groups that you can handle. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process. I'm going to paste our script. I'm going to go ahead and add a flyer. I'm going to add the same flyer actually that I just added before. Work with resellers, which is a really good flyer. Now this works with all flyers, guys. I provided a lot of really good flyers. I have a certain style when it comes to customizing my flyers. So some of them may look similar when it comes to the colors and stuff like that, but all of them can bring you leads. They have definitely worked for a lot of people in our team. So I'm pretty positive that you will be able to go ahead and get leads. Now you can also use the same script and the same flyer for Craigslist as well. But I'm going to be making another video, or I think I already have a video on my YouTube channel for that, which is the Craigslist video, if you guys haven't checked that out. Okay, so now I want to explain to you guys, what do you do when you start getting people that are commenting, okay? So let's say you just posted this up and somebody comments and says info, or comments and says I'm interested. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to reply back to them, okay? You're going to reply back to them in a comment. Now, there's nobody here, but I'm just pretending for now. Let's say that somebody, okay, comments info. So I'm going to pretend to be that somebody. So info, okay? Now let's pretend that somebody just commented info. What you want to do is you want to reply back to this person. And this is what I usually do. I usually, I'm really polite and I just tell them, for example, hi Cindy, please send me a message with more information. I'm sorry. Yes, please send me a message for more information. Now you don't have to do it like that. You can easily, and I spelled that wrong, I'm sorry. You could easily go ahead and message them, but I definitely suggest that you can have people message you, because if you message too many people, most likely Facebook is going to either block you from posting, commenting, or messaging because you're messaging too many people. So I definitely suggest that you have people message you, okay? And then the next thing you want to do is very simple. You just want to go ahead and go to our training group, okay? And you want to reply back to them when they message you with our info script. So my timer is running out right now, so I'm probably going to make this a part 2 video once again, because I only have 15 minutes and I'm at 14:43. So if this cuts off, I do apologize, but I will be seeing you in video 2. So if they do reply back, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to our file section, and locate our script.